guys, I'm Sushanth of grade 10B, and today I'm going to do a physics concept presentation on the topic conventional sources of energy. And I hope you will like this topic, and I'll explain you with good examples. And yeah, let's get into it. So our topic is conventional sources of energy. So conventional sources of energy is nothing but energy which is which have been accumulated over a long period of time. So this type of conventional source of energy will be exhausted one day. So and this cannot be replaced easily. So for example, when you take fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, and fissionable materials. So these are it will exhaust one day and it is very hard to replace it. So this type of conventional source of energy can also be called as non-renewable sources of energy. Okay friends, let us take a brief note about these conventional sources of energy in the coming things. Okay. So fossil fuels. So this fossil fuels you are learning from like 8th, 9th, and you are learning from your lower grades itself. So fossil fuels is very simple to understand. Okay, fossil fuels nothing but the olden days. Okay, the plants, animals, and all the dead bodies, dead plants, everything is covered by the soil deep under the earth, and due to the pressure and due to the heat, okay, absorbed, and due to that pressure it is compressed, and fuel, okay, fuel is formed. So this is called as fossil fuels. So this story we are learning from lower grades itself, so it's very easy to understand this topic, the conventional sources of energy. So let us see some fossil fuels, okay, such as coal, petroleum, natural gas. So there are many fossil fuels, and let us see their like properties and water. Okay guys, so I would like to explain about three types of fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas. I hope you would have learned these fossil fuels before when you are 9th or 8th grade briefly or detailedly. So I would like to give this short in a short manner. So first, taking coal, okay, it's type of a fossil fuel, and we know about coal, right? It is very easy to imagine. Okay, that image that is black in color. This we know that perfectly. So this coal, okay, this coal is of mixture of carbon and carbon containing compounds such as hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur and nitrogen. Okay, so this coal is used in heating purposes. Okay, like it is used in house, in companies, in trains, older trains and all. If you see, they just burn the coal for running the train. So like this coal is used in the older days, and now also it is very useful. And next, coming to petroleum. So petroleum, it is a common thing, okay, day to day life. We are using it, we are utilizing that, and nowadays petroleum is also the quantity of petroleum in this world is also decreasing because we are taking a lot of petroleum. We are taking the earth, and we are taking a lot of petrol and diesel for our automobile and for our use. So so it comes under conventional sources of energy. So petroleum, it is dark, viscous, and foul smelling crude oil. So this petroleum is in several forms like liquid, gaseous, and solid form. So this petroleum is used for automobiles. And next, coming to natural gas. So natural gas, this topic also we have learned already, and this natural gas is a mixture of methane, okay, mainly methane of 97%, and other quantities such as ethane and propane also. So this natural gas, okay, when it is in liquid form, when we subject this liquid form to high pressure, okay, when we subject this to high pressure, then we will get compressed natural gas, that is called as CNG. So nowadays some people prefer CNG because it is cost is less, okay, so people prefer automobiles with CNG cylinders. I hope guys you understood this three types of fossil fuel. So, disadvantages of fossil fuels are next subheading. So, disadvantages of fossil fuels. So, it is easy to say the disadvantages of fossil fuels as we have learned in the lower grades. So, what are the major first disadvantage of fossil fuels? Is nothing but air pollution. Okay, when we burn fossil fuels. Okay, when we burn coal or something else, so this emits harmful gases which causes air pollution, and it also leads to breathing, asthma problems and many other diseases, okay, health related diseases also. So that is the first point. So second point is this fossil fuels are not burnt completely, so this leaves ashes, okay, after burning. So this is a second disadvantage. And third one is, while burning this type of fossil fuels, CO2, okay, so carbon dioxide is released, okay. So due to this, it causes atmospheric pollution and many more. And last, fourth disadvantage of fossil fuel is nothing but it pollutes it causes when it releases harmful gases, it brings acid rain, and which it collects into it goes into water, and it affects the habitats inside it, and yeah, so many more. It affects the soil, crops, and like this. Fossil fuels have many disadvantages in this world. So we know that fossil fuels causes pollution to our atmosphere. So how to control this? So it is very important topic. So this can be fossil fuels, or the pollution caused by fossil fuels can be controlled by simple techniques. Okay. So such as the harmful gases released or the ashes burned. Okay, this all can be prevented, or we can be controlled by using some important techniques. And this fossil fuels, more than fossil fuels, combustion process. Okay, combustion process can be efficiently increased. Okay, and the last is this. And most people nowadays we are depending upon fossil fuels for the source of energy. So not only fossil fuels give source of energy, electricity is best source of energy, and next one is windmills, and there are many non-conventional sources of energy also. So always depending upon conventional sources of energy such as fossil fuels, we can depend upon non-conventional sources of energy also. So by this we can control the pollution caused by fossil fuels. So it is very important topic, because nowadays pollution is also increasing due to this fossil fuels usage. But coming to the point, according to the data, when lockdown was when it was announced for the India during the coronavirus, so the pollution has been decreased. Okay, because by this we can understand that when automobiles or the vehicles or the usage of fossil fuels decreases, then automatically the pollution level also decreases. Okay, it is like it is proportional, okay, to it. So by this we can understand that we should not always depend upon fossil fuels. We should use non-conventional sources of energy also. So heating of atmosphere due to the infrared radiation trapped by CO2 is known as greenhouse effect. So now we are going to see about greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect is very simple to understand, as we are learning, okay, from lower grades itself. Now sun being hot, okay, it produces, or it gives out infrared radiations of shorter wavelength, and earth absorbs it, and earth being cooler, it emits, or it produces like longer wavelength radiation. So these radiations are absorbed by the harmful gases such as CO2, methane, and other gases. So these gases are known as greenhouse gases, and the heating of atmosphere due to the infrared radiations trapped by CO2 is known as greenhouse effect. So this is very simple to understand, and by this greenhouse effect there are a lot of disadvantages. That mean many causes, or it causes many problems in our atmosphere.